You don't want us to know what lies behind the curtain. You believe you'll save the country and carry our burden, turning faith to truth. You are preaching through. Even cops are afraid of you. Hail the King, Lord. This is entertainment. Summer's Eve for your honor, all engagement. Well, they're ready for the King's speech with amazement. Do they know what is real? The trickster will have you kneel. You will brag, bore and steal. Hail the King, Lord. This is entertainment. And I just can't fake it. You fixed the man, float on stream. In this political world, they'll be lucky to escape the scheme. You will lay some traps as you always did before. Open the gates just to close the door. You'll ask them to constitute you as a legend. They will see the world as hell as you imagined. You don't think they're real. Your speech is such a feel. The gangster stands as shield. Hail the King, Lord. This is entertainment. Hail the King, Lord. This is entertainment.
Wales and also Northern Ireland, and it could drop yet. The other thing we have this morning is fog. There's some patchy freezing fog across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, the Midlands, into East Anglia and parts of the south. So that will be slow to clear.